And I'm going to tell you a story. Okay? Well, first of all, where do you live?
I live in a house.
In a house. Okay. In a house, do we have some rooms, no? For example? Where do we eat? Do we eat in our bedroom? Or no?
Yes.
Do you eat in your bedroom?
No.
Where do you eat?
In the bedroom.
In the
Kitchen.
In the kitchen? You also eat in the kitchen? Yes? Okay. Okay. Now we're going to read the book of Who is Making That Noise? What is that?
It's a bird.
A bird, yes. Very good. Okay. Those are the noisy boys. Okay? They love making noise. Making noise and noise. Okay? Let's go to their house. Wow. We are in their bedroom. Okay? They are playing with trains and so on. And suddenly, a noise. Who is making that noise? Are those noisy boys? Are they making that noise?
Yes.
Yes, but they are playing. They cannot play the trumpet, no? Do you want to discover who's making? Open it. Oh, what's that?
It's a bird.
He's the bear, and he's playing the trumpet? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are in the hall. There are the stairs to go to the first floor, for example. And suddenly, another noise. What's that? Who is making that noise? Is those noisy boys?
No.
No, it's not us, they say. So, what is going to be making that noise? Do you want to open it? Oh, that's a chicken. That's why he was doing pew pew. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Where are we now? Is this the bedroom?
Yes.
The bedroom?
No.
I don't see a bed. What is that? Do you know? Oh, wait.
The dog.
There is a dog. And he's playing. Yes. Okay. Okay, now we are in the kitchen. Yes? They are eating biscuits. Yeah? And suddenly, a noise. Who is making that noise? Are those noisy boys?
No.
No, because they are eating, no?
Yes.
So, who do you think is making that noise? Is you?
No.
Is you?
No.
Let's discover. Is... Oh, what's that? Or what it looks like? It is a pig. Yes, and he's playing with some plates. Yeah? Oh, look. Now we are in the living room. Yes? And suddenly, another noise. But who is making that noise? Is those noisy boys?
No.
It's not us, they say. So, and they are reading, so they are going to be in silence, no? So, it's time to explore. Who do you want to open it? Yeah, open it.
The cat.
It is a cat. playing with a bell. That's why you go ding dong. Oh, we're outside in the garden. What are they doing?
Play football.
Yes, they are playing football. Yes, but suddenly another noise. But who is making that noise? Are those noisy boys?
No.
No, they are not. So, open the door. What's that?
It's a rabbit.
A rabbit. The rabbit was playing. We are outside again. We have the dog,
The cat.
the cat,
The bear.
the bird,
The rabbit.
the rabbit, the chicken, and the...
dog.
What is a pig? But yes. Okay. And suddenly more noise. But more noise, so horrible noise. And who is making that noise? I am not. Are you making the noise?
No.
No. Open the window. Oh, who's that?
It's a boy.
It's a noisy boy, and the other? Oh, it's the other noisy boys. If they are noisy boys, they love making noise. Yeah? That's it.